and gentlemen, have you ever had one of those days where you wake up, check your phone, and suddenly realize you have three deadlines, a quiz you forgot about, and a group project where surprise? You're the only one actually doing the work? Huh, yes, same. College feels like running on a treadmill that just won't stop. We juggle classes, part-time jobs, social lives, or at least we try, and the never-ending pressure to succeed. And somehow, we're supposed to have it all together. Huh. But here's the truth. No one really has it all together, and that's okay. Today, let's talk about how we can stop just surviving college and actually thrive. How we can handle the stress, see the opportunities hidden in the chaos, and make the most of these years before we're officially adults and have to start worrying about things like taxes and dental insurance. Let's be real. College these years is a different beast. Our phones are both our best friends and our biggest distractions. 1 minute we're attending a Zoom class, and the next we're deep in a TikTok rabbit hole watching a guy build a tiny house for his hamster. And the worst part, we tell ourselves just one more video and suddenly it's 2 a.m. and we've accomplished nothing except knowing way too much about hamster architecture. We didn't talk about this enough, but behind every Instagram story of someone living their best life is probably a student who's overwhelmed, exhausted, and running on caffeine and sheer determination. A recent study found that 60% of college students feel overwhelmed most of the time. And if you ever stared at a blank Google Doc, well, willing your essay to write itself, then you know exactly what I mean. And let's talk about money. Tuition is expensive. Rent is expensive. Even breathing in some places feels expensive. I once did the math and realized I spend more on iced coffee in a semester than on my textbook. And honestly, no regrets. But here's the good news. Despite all this, we have more opportunities than any generations before us. Think about it. Our parents had to physically go to a library to research something. We have Google, online courses, and direct access to professionals across the world. We can literally learn anything from anywhere. Except, of course, how to actually balance our sleep schedule that remains a mystery. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me, try asking, what can I learn from this? A failed exam doesn't mean you're not smart. It means you might need to change your approach, or at the very least, stop studying with Netflix on in the background. You can pour from an empty cup, take breaks, sleep, eat something that isn't instant noodles at least once a week. And seriously, hydration is important. Your daily water intake is just coffee, soda, and vibes. It's time to make some changes. College is hard, but it's a lot easier when you surround yourself with the right people. Find your tribe, whether it's a study group, a club, or just that one friend who shares your caffeine addiction. These connections make all the difference. At the end of the day, college isn't just preparation for life. It is life. It's messy, unpredictable, and overwhelming. But it's also full of possibilities, unexpected friendships, and moments you laugh about years from now. Like the time you pulled an all-nighter for an assignment that turned out to be due next week. So here's my challenge to all of you. Take a deep breath, embrace the chaos, make mistakes, learn from them, laugh about them later. Because college isn't just about earning a degree, it's about learning to live. Now, go to try. Thank you.